Have you ever wondered where Python is used and why it's so popular? Well, you're not alone. This enigmatic language has been making waves in the programming world, and for good reason. It's versatile, user-friendly, and has a wide range of applications. But what makes Python truly stand out is its simplicity and efficiency, making it a favorite among beginners and seasoned programmers alike. In the next few minutes, we'll dive deep into the realm of Python. We'll explore its unique features and how they stack up against other popular languages. We'll also delve into what makes Python so popular, and where it's being used most. From web and game development to data analysis and artificial intelligence, Python is leaving its mark everywhere. So if you've ever found yourself intrigued by the world of Python, or simply curious about its widespread use, you're in for a treat. Stay tuned to uncover the secrets behind Python's popularity. Python, a language not just for reptile enthusiasts. Born in the late 80s, Python is the brainchild of Guido van Rossum, who wanted to create a language that prioritized simplicity and readability. Fast forward to today, Python has become a general-purpose language, meaning it's used across a wide variety of applications, from web development to data analysis, machine learning, and beyond. Python is a high-level language, which means it abstracts many of the complex details of the computer, allowing you to focus on what you want to achieve rather than how your computer is going to execute it. This makes Python a great choice for both beginners and seasoned programmers alike. One of Python's defining features is its clean, easy-to-read syntax. It's designed to be readable and has a syntax that allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Python, a language designed for readability, and has a syntax that allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. Is Python really that different from other programming languages, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the comparison game and find out. First up, let's pit Python against Java. Java is robust and widely used, no doubt. But when it comes to the learning curve, Python takes the cake. Its syntax is simpler and cleaner, making it a top choice for beginners. Python's write less, do more philosophy also means that you can achieve the same functions with fewer lines of code compared to Java. Next we have C++. While C++ gives you a lot of control and is excellent for system-level programming, it can be a bit complex. Python, on the other hand, is much more straightforward, making it easier to read and write. This readability is a big part of why Python is loved by many. Then we have JavaScript, the darling of the web. While JavaScript is fantastic for client-side scripting, Python is more versatile. You can use it for web development, sure, but also for data analysis, machine learning, AI, and more. Its flexibility opens up a world of possibilities. Let's talk about Python's dynamic typing. Unlike statically typed languages like Java or C++, where you have to declare the data type of a variable, Python figures it out on the fly. This feature makes Python more flexible and easier to use. And don't forget Python's built-in data structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. These are powerful tools that can help you organize and manipulate data more efficiently. But remember, no language is perfect. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, its use cases and niches. That's the beauty of programming. It's all about finding the right tool for the job. So, is Python a silver bullet? No. But its simplicity, readability, and flexibility, along with its dynamic typing and built-in data structures, make it a versatile tool in a programmer's arsenal. While every language has its strengths and weaknesses, Python's simplicity and versatility make it a favorite among many programmers. Python is popular, but just how popular is it? To fathom the extent of Python's popularity, let's dive into some statistics. As per the TIOBE Index, a reputable source for tracking programming language popularity, Python has maintained a consistent spot in the top 3 for the past several years. In the Stack Overflow Developer Survey of 2024, Python was voted as the most wanted language for the 4th year in a row. That means more developers want to continue working with Python than any other language. But it's not only among developers where Python shines, it's making waves in academia too. Python has become the language of choice in several scientific domains, from astronomy to zoology. It's used in high schools and universities around the globe, not just for computer science, but also for subjects like economics, linguistics, and psychology. Its simplicity and readability make it an ideal language for beginners, allowing students to focus on problem solving, rather than wrestling with complex syntax. And speaking of industry, Python's popularity is soaring there too. It's being embraced in fields as diverse as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and even in the film industry for tasks like script writing and animation. Tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Netflix, to name just a few, use Python extensively in their operations. But what's popularity without a strong community? Python boasts one of the most active and supportive communities out there. From local Python meetups to international conferences, from online forums to dedicated websites, there's a wealth of resources available. Whether you're a beginner seeking guidance or an experienced developer looking for a deep dive into Python's intricacies, the Python community is always there, ready to lend a helping hand. So, to wrap up, Python's popularity is not by chance. It's a result of its simplicity, versatility, and the strong community that supports it. Python's popularity isn't just a trend, it's a testament to its versatility and ease of use. Where exactly do we see Python in action, you may ask? Well, Python's versatility allows it to be utilized in a plethora of fields. Let's delve into some of its primary uses. Firstly, Python is a favorite in web development. Thanks to frameworks like Django and Flask, Python makes it easy to build robust, scalable, and secure websites. Some of the world's most popular websites, including Instagram and Pinterest, are powered by Python. Now, let's talk data. In the realm of data analysis, Python shines brightly. Its libraries like Pandas and NumPy provide powerful tools to handle, analyze, and visualize data. This makes Python a top choice for data scientists, statisticians, and analysts. But Python's prowess doesn't stop there. It extends to the rapidly evolving field of machine learning. Libraries such as TensorFlow and PyTorch allow developers to create sophisticated machine learning models. These models can then be used to predict trends, recognize patterns, and make data-driven decisions. And speaking of future-forward applications, Python is also a major player in the realm of artificial intelligence. Its simplicity and flexibility make it an ideal language for developing AI systems. From chatbots to complex AI algorithms, Python is often the language of choice. Last but not least, Python is the king of automation. With Python, routine tasks can be automated, saving countless hours of manual work. Whether it's automating emails, scraping web pages, or managing system tasks, Python can do it all. So, Python is not just a language, it's a multi-purpose tool. It's used in everything from building the web applications we use daily, to analyzing the vast sea of data our world produces, to powering the AI and machine learning models that are shaping our future. And let's not forget the small but significant tasks Python automates, making our lives that much easier. Python's uses are as far-reaching as they are diverse, and its popularity only continues to soar as more and more industries realize its potential. From powering Instagram to helping scientists analyze data, Python's uses are as diverse as they are impressive. So, why should you care about Python? Let's tie up all the loose ends and bring this conversation full circle. Python, as we've discussed, is a programming language that stands out for its simplicity. It's as close as you can get to writing plain English while still communicating with a machine. This makes it a great entry point for those new to programming, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is powerful and versatile, trusted by both beginners and experts alike. Python's versatility is reflected in its broad range of uses. From web and game development to data analysis and artificial intelligence, Python is a go-to language for many of the world's most cutting-edge industries. It's used by big tech giants, small startups, and everything in between. That's a testament to its adaptability and robustness. And speaking of job prospects, the demand for Python programmers is strong and shows no signs of slowing down. With digital technology becoming more ingrained in our daily lives, the need for skilled programmers, particularly those proficient in Python, is only going to increase. Just imagine, the skills you acquire today could land you a job at a Fortune 500 company, or even better, give you the tools to start your own tech venture. Furthermore, Python's importance in emerging fields cannot be overstated. With its extensive libraries and frameworks, Python is at the forefront of AI and machine learning, fields that are poised to revolutionize how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So, to wrap this up, learning Python is not just about acquiring a new skill. It's about equipping yourself with a tool that can open doors, solve complex problems, and potentially shape the future. In the end, Python isn't just a programming language, it's a tool that can open up a world of possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start your Python journey today.